Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes that you can make yourself. This brush is an essential tool for lettering or illustration that you will definitely find useful. The Grain Shader. It's a brush that adds grain or noise texture to your artwork. It shaves off precious dot work hours as you can control the size and strength of the shader, which makes it perfect for adding dimension to any illustration. So, let's get started and make this brush. Start with a square canvas. Change the background color to pure black. You can check the correct values here. From your brush library, choose the Stipple Light brush. If you want to know how this brush is made, click on the iCard here. Draw with pure white. Check the correct values here. With your brush, draw all around the canvas until you get a fair amount of white dots across it, making sure not to go outside the edges. If needed, erase some of the overlapping or close proximity dots so you get an even spacing between them. Alternately, you can also use the monoline brush, set at a small size, and just casually dot throughout the canvas. When you have something that looks like this, you're ready to create your brush. Let's copy this shape by swiping down with 3 fingers and tapping on Copy All. Choose a brush library and tap on the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Properties Spacing to 40%. In Shape, beside Shape Source, tap Edit. In Shape Editor, tap Import, then choose Paste. Tap Done twice to save selection. Under Shape Behavior, set Scatter to 125% and set Rotation to follow stroke. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Uniform Blending. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to None. In Properties, under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to 300%. If you want to add size variation with your pressure, go back to Apple Pencil and set pressure size to 50% or your desired size variation. To add more density to your grain, go to Shape and increase the Shape Behavior count to 4. And there we go, a super easy grain shader brush to add texture and depth to any illustration. Try it out and see what wonders you can create. If you don't want to miss out on any new tutorials, consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And if you have any questions about the brushes you learn on this channel, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and I'll see you then. Bye!